Alright guys, on the kayak, we're going to start with this Joe's Fly spinner. We're going to probably throw this quite a bit. We're also going to throw the Ned rig. And I do have the chatterbait with me and a whopper plopper. So we might hit a little top water or a little moving bait. So we'll see how it goes as we get downriver in the deeper water. Alright, we're kind of targeting smallmouth with this spinner. We're going to know more as we get a little further down river. But I do think they're going to be a little bit deeper and a little bit calmer water where the rocks are, but we will cast as we float down here because we may be able to get some on the way as well. It's super shallow. We haven't had rain here in several months, and even when we did have rain, it was not substantial. Nice little ledges here. There may be some smallmouth still kind of in this shallow water. Definitely worth casting as we float. Had the heat on at the house last night, but feels pretty good right now. There's a fish, might be a bluegill. Oh, it's a smallie. It's a little smallie. I might want to slow down a little bit, I guess, if we're gonna get some on this area. He's a little bit of a chunky smallie. He's just really short. All right, first one. Pretty colors on that one. Let's get him back in. There you go. Got a knot in here somehow. Probably got stuck trying to get it out. I might have got it. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Definitely. Oh, man, my whole line came off. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Somehow I got it. Let's see if I can park myself and get this situation under control. Alright, managed to get out of that situation. Lost my lure. My line got stuck in my spool. When I was pulling it back out, it actually broke off my line with my lure when it was floating down the river, so I had to grab it with my paddle and retie it. Worked out. I think this is where they are, right before this super shallow rock wall that we're gonna hopefully not have to drag our kayak through. There we go. Little guy. Can't tell what the bluegill or smallmouth. I think it's a smallmouth. Yep. Another little guy. Pretty. There we go. Oh, that's a better one. Please be a largie. I want a largie. I'll take a good smallie though. It is a largie. I don't really need a net, but I don't want to lose them here. Alright, we got our third species, boys. That's what we wanted. 3 species a day already. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not a terrible one either. Not a terrible one. Got a nice little gut on him. Thank you for biting. Now we just need like a chub or sucker or catfish or anything. Get a fourth species. That'd be kind of crazy. I think I just had another largie following it. Pretty sure that's what I saw. Definitely a shadow. Oh, there we go. It's a smaller one. That might be a smallmouth the way he's fighting. A little smallmouth. Gosh, he fought harder than that 1 pound largemouth. Man, you could tell they've been eating these crawfish. The colors on their mouth and gills are insane. Just gorgeous fish, no matter if they are small. Alright, let's attempt to get past these shallow rocks like those rapids are. Probably not going to be fun without completely stopping. Alright, got through one. Comes another one. Got that one. Alright, not too bad. Sitting in about a foot of water. All the way down. This is how it looks. Found a few spots where we can catch them, but mostly shallow pockets. Keep going. Oh, there we go. Something little. Probably a bluegill. No, it is a little bitty baby smallie. Gosh, I mean, that was in 6 inches of water there. These little ones are definitely still aggressive. Goodness. A bunch of them was taking off from these rocks right here. And again, nothing big, but catch them. There's a decent one right there. And they're way up on these rocks looking for those crawfish, like I said earlier. That's what they've been eating. There's a good one right here. Not a good one, but it's a pounder. I doubt he sees my bait. Oh yeah, they're all up on these rocks. Good spot right through here. There we go. Bluegill. Oh, bluegill. Grandpa's favorite. Get you back in. Alright, coming up on some power lines too. One of my favorite places to fish. Grandpa taught me that the birds set up there and they drop food, and poop in the water and everything else, and it draws the fish, so they kind of stay underneath there, wait for things to fall down so they can eat it up. So, oh, there's one. A little smallmouth. So we'll fish that as well. Figured we get, that might be a largemouth actually. Nah, it's a smallmouth. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I got you, I got you. Man, you tough. You tough, boy. Another little guy. Pretty. There we go. Oh gosh. There was a big fish following this little baby fish I just had on. Oh man, where did he go? That was crazy. There we go. What we got? What we got? Oh my gosh, popped right off. He might have been good. Alright, figure out how we're gonna navigate our way around these rocks. Oh, there's a fish. Little bitty guy. Ooh, pretty colors. Pretty colors on this one. Very pretty colors. Alright guys, here we go. This is gonna be tricky. This is gonna be really, really tricky. Definitely gonna get banged around. Goal is just try not to flip over. Go around to the left here. See if I can squeak over these rocks without getting too stuck. Get a little speed. Oh, here's a drop off. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, chair, everything. Rods. AirPods. Oh! Crap. Please, God, thank you. Ooh. Crap. Alright. We're just lucky. We're just lucky that I'm not dead right now. Alright guys, good news is I didn't get hurt. We did lose my VFS rod, the one I've been throwing the whole day. I thought I got my chatterbait rod and reel back, which I grabbed out of the water. However, handle broke, so that's another 160 bucks down the drain. I was able to get my tackle box and my two other rods and my paddle. I lost my net, so as we float down we'll see if we see anything, but I think they're long gone, so I don't know. We might fish a little bit more. Also, I don't think I damaged my GoPro, which is a good thing, but we'll keep floating, see if we can not repeat that. Anyway, unfortunate. We'll see you guys at the landing, or if I get brave enough to fish again, we'll throw a couple more lines.